Good day, everybody. How are you all? This is Dr. Nandi. Today we will calculate probabilities. So I'll share my screen with you. In addition to categorized into four categories, O, A, B, and AB, human blood is categorized into Rh plus and Rh minus as follows. So it should be in addition to being, okay. So human blood is categorized into four categories, O, A, B, and AB, and human blood is also categorized into Rh plus and Rh minus. Okay. So you have the four types O, A, B, and AB in the four columns, and you have the two types Rh plus and Rh minus, Rh plus in the first row, Rh minus in the second row. So I will reproduce the table here, solution. So first I have, let's do it this way, O, A, B, and AB. These data are in columns. And then I have two rows of data, Rh plus, which under O is 37, then 34, then 10, and then 4. And Rh minus is 6, 6, 2, and 1. So the first thing I will do is total the rows. So the first row, I will add up the four numbers. That is the total of Rh plus is 37 plus 34 plus 10 plus 4. And that number is equal to 85. And the total of Rh minus is 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1 is 15. So okay, so 15. I'll get rid of this mark. Okay. So now I will total the columns. Total. 37 plus 6 is 43. 34 plus 6 is 40. 10 plus 2 is 12. And 4 plus 1 is 5. If I add 43 plus 40 plus 12 plus 5, the answer is 100. Also 85 plus 15 is also 100. This is your N sample size. Okay. And I'll move the screen a little bit up. Says if a person is chosen at random, find the probability that the person has type O blood given Rh plus. So part A, probability type O blood given, this line signifies given, vertical line, Rh plus. That means out of the total of Rh plus, how many has O type of blood? Now we know the total of Rh plus, total of the first row is 85. Out of them, how many have Rh plus? The total of Rh plus is 85. Out of them, how many has O? So I'm interested in this O. Is 37. So 37 out of 85. So given Rh plus, that means Rh plus happened first. Its total is 85, out of which how many are O is 37. So 37 out of 85 in decimal is 0.435. So that's your answer for part A. Okay. Now let's select another ink for part B. And let's also move this up a little bit more. So part B. What is the probability that the person has Rh minus given B blood? Rh minus given B blood. So B blood happened first. Out of the total of B blood, how much is Rh minus? So B blood total is 12, as you can see from this column, 12. And out of which, how many is Rh minus? It's 2 out of 12, which in decimal is 2 divided by 12 is 0.167. 167. So that's the answer for part B. Okay, so this is also given. That means B happened first, out of which RH, how much is Rh minus? So B happened first, total of B is 12, out of which Rh minus is 2. Next one, has Rh plus or A blood? Probability. So maybe we should change the ink on this one again. To select this one. So let me erase this and rewrite it. So P part C, probability of Rh plus or A. Now Rh plus is in the first row. A is in the second column. So they intersect. So this is equal to, by general rules of addition of probability, is probability of Rh plus probability of A minus probability where they intersect, Rh plus and A. Okay. So what is the probability of Rh plus? Total of Rh plus is 85 out of sample size of 100. Okay. My ink has changed. I want to keep it blue. Okay. Okay, so 85 over 100. Okay, plus total of A is 40 out of 100. Now notice the number 34. Once it is added in the first row, 37 plus 34 plus 10 plus 4 is 85 for Rh plus total. And once in the second column, to get the total of A, 34 plus 6 is 40. So the number 34, where Rh plus first row and second column intersect 34, has been added twice. That's why we take it out once. You cannot keep a number adding twice. You have to subtract once. So 85 plus 40 is 125 minus 34 divided by 100, which is 125 minus 34. The answer is 91 out of 100 is 0.91 is the answer. So we use the general rule of addition of probability of Rh plus or A. Since the intersect is probability of Rh plus probability of A minus probability of Rh plus and A. So Rh plus is 85 out of 100. Probability of A is 40 out of 100. Number 34 has been added twice. Once in getting the total of the first row, another time getting the total of the second row, column. So therefore 34 is subtracted once. And the answer is 125 minus 34 is equal to 91 out of 100 or 0.91. So let me move the screen a little bit up. So in part D, they ask, what is the probability the person has? So part D, P, Rh minus and AB. So this is, we are looking for the intersection of RH minus, which is the second row, and AB, which is the last column or the fourth column. RH minus and AB, the intersection point is over here. So this is equal to 1 out of 100. RH minus and AB, 1 out of 100 or 0.01. This is the answer for part D. So intersection second row and the fourth column is 1 out of the grand sample size 100. 1 out of 100 is 0.01. So I will stop here today. If you have any question or comment, write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as I read your note. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. If you like this video, please share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. I will see you next time with another interesting problem, interesting solution. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day.